Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to create rubrics in Google Classroom. So, first thing that you will do is of course go to one of your classroom, and after that, as you can see, my classroom is helpful, and just simply go to classwork category over here at the top. And now from here, just simply create an assignment. So just simply select create over here, and let's say I'm gonna go for assignment over here. Pretty much this will be depending on you. And now from here, just simply provide a title. Let's say I'm gonna go for assignment 1, and from here you could just simply provide the instructions. So this will be depending on you. And here on the right side of the screen, you should be able to see a rubric. So select this one and select create a rubric. So from here, just simply provide the criterion title. Let's say I'm gonna go for diagram. And now from here, just simply provide a description, test how your creativity work. So guys, this will be depending on you. Just simply provide a points over here, provide a level title. Let's say I'm gonna go for excellent, and just simply provide a description over here. And after that, you can just simply add another one. Let's say this is a 2. I'm gonna go for good, and let's say I'm gonna go for lack of creativity. So guys, this will be just an example, and you could go for 1 over here. Let's say I'm gonna go for not bad. Let's say I'm gonna go for basic, and of course the 0 points is no diagram. And from here, no diagram is shown, and you could add a criterion as well over here, and you can add another category. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And when you select these 3 dots over here, you can delete this criterion. And once you are done, you could just simply select ascending or descending. So this will be depending on you. And you can just simply select save at the top right corner of the screen, and should be able to have the rubrics, and you can just simply assign at the top right. And there you go. That's how to create a rubrics in Google Classroom.